you have some people have different level of bad mind. You know, you will have people where, you know, you and them are enemy. So when you step up, them are gonna have a problem with it. Because you and them are the enemy. But you have some people and them that have nothing. You don't do them nothing. You never offend them yet. You never do them nothing yet. And them hate you. For what? This has nothing to do with me now. No. This is something. Because share. Something at my weekend gone. And it made me understand the level of bad mind where people have. When you see me post a video, right? A party keep a New York named Cash. Zine? Headache Records keep Cash. I think a 2 times for the year or 1 time for the year I keep it. Here, one of them him lay the birthday and then Cash at the big dance. But put up the video. Some man a do money pull up. One name Jago, one name Steamer. See? They show no people bad mind, you know. People them on the app. Don't how man the body big here? Mighty. Anyway. The people them on the app don't know the man them. First thing. Don't know what the man them do for a living. Don't know if the man them broke or rich or. Them just get up and them just start cuss the man them. People in the comment section, you know. Oh, them worthless. A idiot man them a clown them. Bet them mother are dead for hungry. Bet them pitney are dead for hungry. Oh, them money, they are blood money. Dirty money. Oh, no know that. Oh, no know that. Oh, no, where the man them get the money from. Some of them put up, oh, the Bible tells us you're a fool and his money shall soon part. Who tells you the man them a fool? Some of them, oh, I would never do that. When I get up and I throw my money, mine on the business. Find not do the money. Find the money not do the up. What I try? The mash up selector budget. One of the day over TikTok, I give the Badmind them unicorn and lion and whale and shark. Oh, no problem with it. But when you see selector get money pull up, all of a sudden, a dirty money, a drugs money, a murder money, the money them, where I give the Badmind them over TikTok, you ever question where it come from? How many of you now say I do the money? And it's obvious because you see Badmind and get the money. And Badmind I do things to get the money. Only two Badmind. The youth when name Jago. Uno don't know him. Uno I know him now, because some of you don't know the people them till me post them. Which is okay. Because everybody now gonna know everybody. You understand? And Jago sell all of the Obi in New York. Jago and him sell the gathering them. And him bossy case them. And him put padlock in a frag them mouth. Him is the science man in New York. Okay? So, the man have him work. The man have him job. The man a science man. And him a take off dopey off of people. And him a make police crash and last them way when them figure a court. Him a science man. The man talk it plain, so no man can reach on him because everybody hustler 9 to 5. Man where them woman a cheat upon them. Woman with them husband a cheat upon them. All of them have to come link him. Because him is the science man in New York. So when you see the man with the money, only ready to say a dirty money, the man a sell Obia. No, rather than a joke thing, you know. I told me to get all I video them yet. Me I wait for Johnny British to send me all I video them. The man talk it plain, say Obia himself. And everybody in New York know a science himself. Steamers now, them man they own in business and own in business place them. You can't get up and because you see man a do money pull up, you have it to them a eyeglass and them a waste man and that's how it go. And that's how it go and have to stop to that. I want to see straight people like me I get money pull up when if you lock on the mouth. Ungo time if you talk if you see one Spratak try come give me money pull up and me don't know. When if you tell me quick make me diss him. You understand? Megan British big up. So me don't like that style. A big idiot style that you come with. I style up the man them but the man them a waste man and a drugs money and we only eat drugs now sell a foreign again you know. Nobody no want to touch drugs and have nothing to do with drugs. Cause the police have put drugs on the road. So once you deal like you get locked up. You understand? You don't know how much rich people come a party? You know how much people with the real money come a party? Did you know that you have some man where for them enjoyment is for the money pull up? You didn't know say you have some man and some woman where them for them enjoyment for the money pull up, it makes them feel better about themselves. You understand me I say? So when you stop that something there. More big up the promoter them for the party name Cash though because last year did the Rama you know. Hey, you know it's a party thing weird. Last year Cash did the Rama you know. And we not make no money. We never hear nobody a complain party ram. We make a little bit of money. This year the party have less people. This year the party have less people. And a crazy more money spent and dash way. More champagne sell, more money dash way. It was a movie. Big up GR Chromatic and big up DJ Flair. You know the party named Ballon d'Or, so are the biggest baller get the trophy. You know me going with the trophy. GR them do them thing and go and go and mash up the place and Flair mash up the place, but you know Foota thing different. Don't. Zine? So, more and the people them stop discriminate dancehall people when them do money pull up and go like you want disrespect dancehall people. You see me? Cause dancehall are our real talk. We don't do TikTok, a real talk we do. You understand? See all bunty affair burn out fish talk. Over there full of doodoo. When they come in a dance a gangster thing, a warm tea, a straight people thing. And a straight people that the money pull up. Stop quarrel about the people them thing, dog. First things first, I want to say. Big up Agent Sasko. Curly girl Shana, big up. Big up Agent Sasko. My brethren. Youth when I rate. I rate Sasko, rate him. One of our baddest DJ. One of our most consistent DJ over the years. Youth will carry himself. Respectable youth where, you know, him in a bagger. Even me I tell him more times, say, dog, you have to rough up the place more time and him I say, no, you know. You know, say, I someone direct me thing and I someone. Me have mad respect for Assassin. Me don't ever think Assassin rate me like how me rate him. But me still rate it. That's the of them. Raz there, Raz and Biggie them know, and we send them a road at our world. When they say that's the and we respond to them owe for life. All after life, all when them pitney get big and them have grand pitney. Them have to know say we make them father them great in our world. So, you know from Dexter Daps and them and Bugle and them pathways, you know to hear nothing from that acre. But you know me keep my ears glued to the street. So the street I tell me say Jesse Royal a work on that acre. No. So I say, alright, let me see where I go on out there now. Because I just see around there now, so I could see where I go on. So I'm there, and I scroll through Instagram. And I see if somebody put up one piece of song. Sassina bust up the place. Sassina bust up the place. And them say, Dasika produce it. And me I say, a lie. Dasika is back. Me I run with that song until me tired. Then one next day, me see one next piece of video. And Lila Ike Get sing the chorus. And me say, rascal, no. Me not bother run with that song, yeah. Me rate Sasko everything. But me can't bother run with that song, yeah. Sasko, I could just do it pan dub and sing Lila Ike part. If you want me run with that song, yeah. Here why me have a problem with this song. Me not have a problem with this song in terms of production, vocals, mixing, everything about the song tough. And me not gonna be a hypocrite and say, Lila Ike part tough. Then, but me have to cancel out the song. If Sassy no give me the song with him a sing Lila Ike part them and sing theme part, me no want it. The only way me will run with that song there. Some people say, one of my brethren say, Foota, I don't go say nothing about it because you get highlight. But me no mind get highlight because Assassin. Remember Lila Ike a talented artist too, you know. But me have a problem with them artists here. When them disrespect the culture. And we say, give you an apology and make we move forward. And them think it hard. If you do an apology to the people, them we have put them on the map. Lila Ike, I don't want you to feel like say, what you do can rub out, you know. Me no want you to feel like what you do can no bother do, you know. You still owe the Jamaican culture an apology. Now, Sasko, Sassin, before you pre anything, when you listen to this, why may I say what may I say? Then, Lila Ike lyrics in the song is now fictitious because she can't come tell me nothing what she say in her song based on what she said before, what she not apologize for all now. Now, make we analyze the two artists them on the song. Agent Sasko is a family man. Agent Sasko is a man who have him wife and him two daughters and him little son. What him son name again? Joshua. Zine. Family unit him a deal with. Sassin a deal with man, woman and children. Zine. Sasko have him little daughter when me see him buy a gift for there. I don't know if she turned 16 or she turned 18. Now, when him do a song with Lila Ike now, Zine, and him present a song there in his house, because you know him daughter artist, the little one, and you know him son pay attention to everything. When your youth them now Sassin, here's a daddy have a song with Lila Ike. Them now I go up on them computer or them iPad, them tablet, or them phone and Google Lila Ike now. Because daddy and her have a song. When them Google Lila Ike now, them now go hungry see the song with she and Sassin, you know. And them now go hungry see the song and say, Jaja, you see where we coming from. Bad song. Them I go see the interview where she says she a lesbian and she sex girl and she no business. And so what? She a burn out fish on the song without an apology for what she utter out her mouth already can't work. She have to make when Sasko local daughter now go up on the thing and go Google. Them a go see what she say. But them a go see her next thing where she a say, you know, I should have made that utterance there. I did sorry. I did just a go through a tantrum and, you know, I never think right and I apologize. for what me did say. What wrong with that? Oh, every time them artists here violate the culture and violate the laws of God, them afraid to apologize to the same people them we are buying the music. Why them afraid to say, my people, I'm sorry. We need a public apology for Lila Ike. You can't quiet out and hide 1, 5, 6 months and feel like you can come back and remember. And Foota hype still alive and I go hold you accountable for what you utter. I go hold you accountable, Lila Ike, for what you say. You can't come act like you never say it. Shensi are the same thing. Spice are the same thing. Pampute are the same thing. It not go work, you know. We not forget, you know. We don't forget. So every time when the career step up back, I am going to be here as this beacon of light to put the spotlight on again. So I don't want agents to feel like this is no attack on him. I'm not even attack on the song, you know, because the song a good song and the song I say the right thing them and the song mix right and it sound right. Big up that say cause I'm a youth them. Me glad to see them a return. Unruly Savage, you're not understanding. Our apology is going to say to we the people say, yeah, uphold our culture and you apologize for the wrong utterance what you do and we move on. But you can't quiet out for one little 5, 6 months and then pop up out of nowhere upon Sasko song and sing about who sell out and who grounds out and bow out for money and rate. No, remember you, Lila Ike, come and interview, come say your sex girl, and so what? I know me vex. I know me vex. So when you sit down in the corner and grumble, oh, the boy Foota hype and the two little Spanish town man them running about, oh, boy Foota hype. No. Me not afraid of. I want you to remember say God own reggae. You have to get up, turn on your phone, and tell the people of the culture, say you're sorry and you're wrong for that utterance, them, my lord. Else we not accept nothing else from you, you know. We not gonna accept nothing else from you. Because we can't unsee what you do. I want when Sasko daughter go up on the net, go Google Lila Ike, she see where you go wrong and she see where you apologize. Or she fi go up there now, go see where you say wrong, but not see no repercussion for it. And go feel like the right way that for go. After Sasko grew her good. The man them have to think about that thing that you know. Me know Sasko never look upon it that way there, but me there have to remind Sasko is a family man. You grow your pity them good from you see how them operate. You grow your kids them good. And you is a man where he is even more of a greater parent than me, because my pity them live with them mother. Different mother. The whole of your pity them under your roof. All the one when your wife, child. So me rate you for that. Lila Ike spoil the song. If she not plan to apologize, the song spoil. If she not plan to denounce what she did say, you know, the song spoil and we have a problem, we're going to take her off it, you know. We can make somebody else sing it, you know. We can make somebody else sing it. Or you can sing it for me on dub plate without fear part and I'm going to run with it. No, Lila Ike part bad too. Me now be no hypocrite. She sing it good and everything. Me swear. Me no know how to be hypocrite. Sasko part bad and fear part too. She sing good. But me can't forget what she do. And here, I want if you can deal with her. I want if you can deal with her, you know. And cool with her, you know. But you see, if she bigger than to apologize to the industry where she look for rich offer, if you feel like you have too much ego, Miss Lila Ike, and you feel like say, the Spanish town man them where I gear two talking in your ears and I go on like them badder than God, then you have something coming. You figure take up your phone and send out a public apology for your utterance where you did say. You have to do that. If you don't do that, Foota hype and you can't see eye to eye. And a whole heap of people out there may have a following when they're normal. You have to apologize for what you do. Else you can't get back on the full power when you have. God I got whip on you. Me I tell you. And him, God been whipping on you. See big old something come out there now. The girl say Pampute they beg her tree someone want them her front and do baiting. That's why them not feel no way if you go do gear show. Because of what them do behind closed doors. And that's why people have a problem with Foota hype. Big up my brother Sadio Bar. Real estate GPS. Anybody in America want to also buy, Sadio Bar is the man to call. And him know about the grant them and the something them with them give for help your flooring and your roof. If you buy a house and you want to renovate, link Sadio Bar. Real estate GPS. These artists I lose them power and I suffer and I act like everything is good. Lila Ike, since you do what you do and me say what me say, you can't tell me nothing. Career weaker. Coffee career weaker. The whole of no career weaker. In a some way, shape or form. Zine, what me I say is that song you have good potential. That song I can run the place. Me I tell you this, Lila Ike. You say anyhow, you know, face the people. All it takes is a simple apology. Nobody not tell if you cut off your neck or chop off one of your finger them or juke out one of your eye. No the music you want to feed you. No the music you want to say you're a big artist. No the music make you tour. No the music make everything. Apologize to the music. Cannot say you're bigger than to apologize to the music. Because the little girl them a look and the little girl them a listen. And the little girl them I got hear you say out of your mouth, you sex girl and so what? Them fi hear you out of your mouth I say, I am truly sorry for my utterance and I ask for forgiveness from all of my fans and well-wishers and lovers of the culture of reggae and dancehall. Simple, and it done away you good again. Cause for you apologize and you refrain from doing what you do, we have to forgive you. But you can't come act like you have more ego than God. You're crazy. All the music I go feed you when you diss the music. And no, if you don't apologize, I grainy up Saskatchewan now, you know. Cause I know uncle do the man grainy up the place, you know. Shaky woman grainy up the place too. You see me I say? Cause Sasko, them man the slate clean and the man a do it thing and the song bad. And that's the cause them want to run back the place. And the song have the potential for run back the place. But you gotta have people who have a problem with it like how me have a problem with it. If I'm me alone and you don't apologize, we take you off my song, you know. Big man thing, Lila Ike, cause some man around here afraid to tell you. Probably true, you know you have a little sexy body and you have money with it and you're an artist. So most of the man, them all of them a bust gun and cause remember gunman all of them can read them a idiot. Them afraid to tell you the truth. But me not frightened. And me bad for real. You have to apologize. You have to fix that. Because for me alone, nobody enough to do song with you, you know. No Rasta man enough to play in a band for you, you know. You have to go one side, you know. If you don't apologize for what you say, you know. Somebody say, but if she apologize, she still eat in front. My youth, listen what I say. Me not care what people want to do in their personal life. Me no business. You think me business? Me no business what you want to do in your personal life, you know. You could have skin cat and cook them and them. You could have eat frog, you could. Me no business. But do not forward in our culture, in our music, and utter them things they like. That's what we're about. And that me attack on it. Only think my business, Bob, what she want to do in her personal space. Me no care. Uno keep telling me what people are, me no business what them are doing in them personal life, bro. Me no business. But when you come put it in the culture, no interview, no song, no video, you know if you promote them something out of them thing there, keep that to yourself and go hide. What the bomb buckler to not talk about? See Mika said that. Mika said all she had to say was I would like to keep my love life private. Simple as that. Simple as that. But you can't come spew homosexuality in our culture, them way they brawling and so, and then you come out cool off for 6 months and no, mama. No. And now you heard Sasko song. Because Sasko my G. He don't rate me as much as me rate him, but me rate him. Whole heap, me rate him whole heap. I'm ready to play the song, but me cannot play it with you on it. If you dip on the song, Lila Ike, it will never play by me. Only if you come apologize to the culture. I mean, know enough people share the same views with me share. You are going to help hold back that song there. This way, I'm going to say, no, I'll give the song a little momentum. I can't hear it, I go hear it now. I go. You understand? But remember, the fade away part like Baba, wicked. My thing, them, when me burn my fire, everybody get the look. Because you have some people who want me cuss them, for them get the look, but them not understand. You get the look, but then they get the burial. Because when me cry out, the ancestors, them upset. It's like you don't understand it, you know. It's when me cry out and when me rebel, the ancestors them pick up shield and spear and ready to fight. Oh no, remember me telling you, you know. You see how the world a crumble around some people. Every time them ramp with me, on now, pick up, on now, realize what going on. Anytime me utter and weep and wail. Problem, boy, you know, not realize. She have to come apologize. She have to come denounce what she did say. And say she wrong to utter something like that publicly. I want assassin daughter them can see say you were wrong for it and now you are doing the right. This is like correctional services. You think you can go to prison and just get parole? So no, you have to show say you reform and you change from your dirty and crooked ways and we feel like you're ready for society. You're not ready for society yet, Lila. I remember in a Lila Ike, I don't hate you, you know. I don't hate you. I regularly hear some things some little man I say Ronnie and Ray. I laugh, you know. I don't hate you. I think you're a very sexy girl and you look good. And you're very talented. But that alone don't work, boy. Your mind is in the right place. You can't come utter no shakiness, boy, in our music. And I laugh with you. No. I'm first thing I'm not frightened. I'm not begging the money.
Me beg 2 dub if you don't want to sing into your business because a Foota IP a sing dub for a normal boy. And then around the corner selector. So if you don't sing no dub for me, yourself you hurt and me you hurt. You understand? So me can walk left that. Me no kiss ass and me no beg friend when me talk straight. You have to come fix that. Else we not accept you, mama. We not accept you.